What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to show you guys some cool accessories that you can use for your laptop computer. So basically I'm going to show you guys some of the accessories that I personally use on my computer. So I'm going to share with you guys so you have an idea of some of the accessories that you can use to make your laptop be more productive and your work more easier. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so the first one I'm going to look at is this USB combo. Now this is basically interesting to use on your computer where you have many slots that you can choose from. So if you're looking for that extra port for your computer, what you need to do is grab some of these USB hub combo. So it also have 3 slots for USB connection, one here, one there, and one here, right? So this allows you to have more out of your computer slot. Now for some computer may come with 2 USB slot or 3 USB slot. Now with this you get a 3 extra USB slot on your laptop. Also it comes with a SD card holder where you can use to read your SD card. So and also it comes with a mini SD card right here that you can also use whenever you're using your computer. And also with this combo right here, it also has a light, so when you plug it in you will see a blue light comes up here, and it's also pretty interesting to use, and I also recommend that you guys should have one of these on your computer. Now have you ever have an issue with crash computer? Your computer always crashing for some reason. Now when you have that important file on your computer and you need to get those files, you realize that your computer always been crashing with you losing those important files. Now the next thing that you should consider having is an extra hard drive, right? I personally have an extra hard drive for my computer in case my computer have crashed or broken, so I can get back all of my important documents and files whenever my computer may run in some damage or crash. Alright, so you always try to have an external hard drive for your computer. It is really important to have this, guys, in terms of any accident or your computer might crash or lost, so you can back up all your files on your external hard drive. Now the next thing that you need to have with this external hard drive is the holder, guys. Now this is the external hard drive holder that you guys should be having whenever you have an external hard drive. So these are something that work with each other. So basically I'm going to pull it to show you guys. So as you can see, I have an external hard drive already in this right here. So what you can do is to attach this with your external hard drive into your external hard drive holder where you can store all your documents and all your important files. Also comes with a USB where you can attach it to your computer. So I think this is basically pretty interesting for you to have for your computer. Also the next important thing that you need to have, which most of you might have already, is a adapter. Now this basically comes with most of your camera. Now when you want to store and transfer a file from your camera to your computer, which I also mentioned earlier, can use in the USB hub, right? So you can always use this to store your little pictures and little file like music or something like that. And it also comes with a memory card inside where you can also use to store some little things, right? So you always have these that can use also on your computer. So I have more of these things, guys. So these are pretty interesting things that you can also have for your computer. Also guys, the next thing that you should have is the audio splitter right here. This is basically an audio splitter. So I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to take off this cap right here. Okay guys, so there is it. Now basically this is an audio splitter that you can use with your friend. So if your friend and you have 2 headphones, you guys can use your audio jack and plug it into right here, and both of you guys are listening music without after disturbing others. So you won't have to share your headphones, guys. What you can do is to plug in both of your audio jack to these end right here, and your friend can also listen music together without have to disturbing others. So this is basically interesting for your laptop, and I recommend that you should have these accessories also. Now we always have problems storing our files away. Now having a USB is pretty much important as having a hard drive, because a USB is more accessible, like when you're on the go, like when you want to transfer a file from both computer to a next computer. A USB is pretty much important that you can save your file, and much less your smaller files that you want to keep in good storage. So I recommend that you also to have a USB flash drive. Now guys, we are all into music, and yes, what we need is our headphone. It's important that you guys have an headphone for your computer, and this may not be the best headphone on the market, but I also recommend that you guys should get an headphone for your computer. So if you're on the go and want to work on some project, probably listen to some music and those things, a headphone is basically great cool when you're playing music on your laptop and those things, and you don't want to disturb other person around you. I also think that you should get an headphone for your computer. So I recommend having an headphone, especially if you are a person who do a lot of editing, edit a lot of music, edit a lot of project in terms of video production and those things. An headphone is also what you need when you're editing those things on your computer. So the next accessory that I recommend that you guys should also get is your audio jack. Now this is basically a two-way audio jack in which you can plug from your headphone to your computer. So if your headphones are not connected by Bluetooth, you can also use. Now the next and the most important accessories that you guys should have is your mice. This right here. Now this is basically a wireless mice. So sometimes you don't want to use a trackpad on your laptop, so a mice is pretty much cool, which is more efficient when you're moving those cursor, right? So a mice is just only a click away, so it's more productive for me when I'm editing my videos. I am doing all sort of work on my laptop, so a mice is pretty much interesting. So you can also prefer to use a wireless mic. Also I have right here, I have my gaming mic. This is my gaming mic I use to gaming on. So this is basically a card mic, so you can choose which one is best for you, right? So either you can go wired or you can go wireless, right? Now with the wireless mic, all you can do is to take out this thing right here and plug into your computer and use it on the go, right? So pretty much interesting to use to have a mouse on your computer. So yes guys, so these are pretty much a cool tech that you can use. And also this is basically my wired mouse. This is the mouse that is my everyday mouse that I use to do most of my gaming, most of my editing. I really love this mouse guys, and I recommend that you guys should have one of these also on your computer. So these things is basically pretty when I light it up, right? Whenever I plug this into my computer, you see all of these light things glowing. So I pretty much love this mouse. I wouldn't give it away for anything guys. So this is the mouse that I use on my daily basis, editing my videos and those things. Yes guys, so these are pretty much the accessories that I use on my laptop computer. I hope this video may give you guys some inspiration to actually get a few of these for your laptop so you can be more productive. So if you like this video guys, please give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also leave your comment in the comment section what type of video you want me to cover in the future, because I want to create video that you guys may love and enjoy and will want to see. So please leave your comment guys in the comment section the type of video that you want to see in the future. Remember, subscribe if you haven't already, and I see you in my next video. Peace out.